open-ended. We have a lot of this to make it. So Jim is building a bird feeder. He connects two metals roots together to make a stand. The blueprint for the project shows the length of the roots. What is the total length of the roots? Write expression to model the situation. So this one, we need make them together. So we have to add 2/3 plus 1/6. So find the common between them denominator. The common, as you see, how can you find the common? We write the, if we need the common, so we have to write table 3 and table 6. So table 3, it will be 3, 6, 9, 12, and so on. Table 6, it will be 6, 12, 18, and so on. So first common between them is 6. So we can make 3 as 6 if we multiply it by 2. So the common denominator is 6. Equivalent fraction, we wrote it right now. So first fraction, it will be 4/6. Plus 1/6. The same denominator, write one of them, and 4 plus 1 is 5. So this is the final answer. We write it here, write the expression. This is our expression. So the answer is 5/6. Explain how do you know your answer is reasonable. So if we estimate this one, 2/3, 2/3 close to 1, and 1/6 close to 0. So this is close to 1 minus 0, it will be 1. This is estimate. Around. Jim fastens the bottom of the bread feeder to the balls. He has 4 balls that are each 5/6 foot long. How much must Jim cut from each board to make each side of the feeder 3/4 foot long? So he need to cut. So if you need to cut, so you have to subtract. You have to subtract. All right, expression you can use to solve this problem. So it will be 3/4. Sorry, it's 5/6 minus 3/4. So this is the expression, right? An expression using fraction with the common denominator. So the common denominator, as we know, we have to write table 4 and table 6. So table 4, it's 4, 8, 12, 16. Table 6 is 6, 12, 15, and so on. So here, as we see, 12 is the common, first common. So write an expression using fraction with a common denominator. So if we need to make 6 as 12, so 1, 2, so I have to multiply by 2 here, up and down. And 4 multiply by 3 because it's 1, 2, 3. So now it will be 10/12 minus 9/12. So minus 9 over 12. The same denominator, write one of them. And 10 minus 9 is 1. So this is our answer. 1 and 1 over 12. 1 over 12. Is it reasonable? If we subtract this one, 5 over 6 is close to 1. And also 3 over 4, it's also close to 1 also. So 1 minus 1 is 0. And 1 over 2 also close to 0. Click understanding. James starts with 7 over 8 ounces of glue after a project. 1 over 4 ounces of glue is left. So write an expression that can be used to find how much glue jam uses. Solve the problem. So as we know this here, 1 over 4 left. So uh, he uses what? So we have to subtract. We have to subtract 7 over 8 minus 1 over 4. So I can make the same denominator. I can make the same denominator. So 4, if I multiply 4 by 2, up and down, it will be 8. So now, first fraction, 7 over 8, minus 1 times 2 is 2. 4 times 2 is 8, is equal to the same denominator. Write one of them. And 7 minus 2 is 5. So he uses 5 over 8. And this one, 2 over 3 minus 1 over 5. We need to subtract them. So we have to find the denominator. Okay, so 2, 3, and 5. We have to write table 2 and table 3 and table 5. As we know, table 3 it's 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and so on. Table 5 is 5, 10, 15, and so on. So the common is 15. So if we need to make 3 as 15, we multiply by 5, up and down. We need to make 5 as 15, so we have to multiply by 3, up and down. Now, first fraction is 5 times 2 is 10 over 15. Second fraction, 1 times 3 is 3 over 15. The same denominator, 15. So 10 minus 3 is 7. So 1 over 6 and 3 over 4. So as we know, 6 and 12, the first common between them is 12. Or we can write table 6, 6, 12, 18, 4, 8, 12. So the first common is 12. So multiply 6 by 2, it will be 12, up and down. Multiply 4 by 3, up and down, it will be 12. So first fraction, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 6 is 12, plus 3 times 2 is 6, 4 times 3 is 12. The same denominator, write one of them, and 2 plus 6 is 8. It's 8 over 12. So I can simplify it by divide by 4, up and down. So 8 divided by 4 is 2. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So this is the answer, 2 over 3. Mr. Song uh, laptop memory is 9 over 10 full. After he deleted some files, the memory is 3 over 5 full. So write the fraction represent. So he deletes some files, so it will be a subtraction. So I have to subtract. So it will be 9 over 10 minus 3 over 5. So uh, not the same denominator. So I can make 5 as 10 if I multiply by 2 up and down. So it will be now the same denominator, 10, and this 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. So our answer is 3 over 10. Is it reasonable or not? So I can estimate this one, like 9 over 10 is it's close to 1. This one, first one close to 1. And second one, 3 over 5, it's close to half. 1 minus half is half. That's it. Research checks the digital tablets made at the factory in one box of tablets. She finds that 1 over 20 have a cracked screen in the same box. She finds that another 1 over 5 have the wrong software. What fraction of the tablets in box have either a cracked screen and wrong software? So in this activity, we have to add these two numbers, fractions, as 1 over 12, 1 over 20, plus 1 over 5. So how can we make 5 as 20? Because it's not the same denominator, multiply by 4 up and down. So now it's 1 over 20 plus 4 over 20. The same denominator, write one of them, 20, and 1 plus 4 is 5. Now we can divide both of them by 5 to make it simple. So 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 20 divided by 5 is 4. So our answer is 1 over 4. Find the difference. 2 over 5 minus 1 over 10. It's not the same denominator, but I can make 5 as 10 if I multiply by 2 up and down. So it will be 4 over 10 minus 1 over 10. The same denominator, write one of them, 10, and the 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 over 4 and 1 over 8 minus, so we multiply 4 by 2, it will be the same 8 up and down. So it will be 6 over 8 minus 1 over 8. The same denominator, write one of them, and 6 minus 1 is 5. 1 over 3 and 5 over 12. If we need to add them, so we have to make the same denominator, multiply 3 by 4, up and down. So now it's 4 over 12 plus 5 over 12. The same denominator, 4 plus 5 is 9. If we need to make it simple, so we have to divide by 3, up and down. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 1 over 6 plus 3 over 4. So it will be to make the same denominator times 4 up and down. So 1 over 16 plus 3 times 4 is 12 over 16. So write 16 down, and 1 plus 12 is 13. So this is our lesson. Thank you, guys.